If you're still trading on tips, you're not in the market. You're in a casino.
Sanjiv Bhasin, director at IIFL Securities, is joining us now.
The mutual fund route or the SIP route is the best long-term investor for the passive investor. Mutual fund managers are unemotional because they're managing your money.
You cannot but make money in these stocks.
I'm Sanjiv Bhasin. I've spent 30 years in the markets across bull runs, bear traps, liquidity crunches and black swan events. One good year in the market means nothing. I will teach you how to last a lifetime. Price action, volume, momentum, that's your language now. You'll analyze live markets, break down real trades, simulate entry and exit decisions, and maintain your own trading journal. I am here to train your psychology. You'll manage your mindset before your money. By the end of this course, you won't just understand how markets move. You'll know how to analyze them, trade them, and manage risk like a professional. This is not a shortcut. This is skill built from the ground up. If you're serious about trading, it's time to get serious about how you learn. The markets won't wait for you, and neither will I. I'll see you in class.
The content presented in this video has been developed by Masters Union exclusively for educational, factual, and skill-building purposes. It is designed to enhance the viewer's understanding of capital markets concepts and should not, under any circumstances, be interpreted as investment advice, financial advice, or a recommendation under the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) Act, 1992, or any other prevailing law. This presentation contains fact-based information intended solely for academic enrichment. Masters Union and the presenter make no solicitation or offer to buy, sell, or hold any financial instruments or securities. To the best of Masters Union's knowledge and belief, the presenter has no direct or indirect financial interest, benefit, or stake in the topics or instruments referred to in the course content. The content shared is neutral and no promotional considerations have influenced the material. Viewers participants are strongly encouraged to treat this information strictly as educational. Any decision involving financial instruments should only be made after consulting a SEBI registered investment advisor or qualified financial professional, as required by applicable regulations.